Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will continue the previous tutorial about how to create animation using geometry nodes. I want to show you something very interesting, and using the math nodes and this attribute vector math and attribute math node, use it in order to create motion graphics using Blender and using geometry nodes. So let me show you something very interesting. When selecting this cube and constraining this cube to X and Y axis and excluding the Z axis, hit G, then Shift Z, and you can move it. It's gonna be making this torus going to change the scale like this. When trying to make the cube much more closer to any of this torus, is gonna be making scale of some torus in between this bunch of torus. So I want to show you how to add keyframes and make animation using the animation workspace like this. Click on it, then go over here, click on Graph Editor. So select and split it, drag this line over there. So let's turn on the auto keyframing like this. This is the first keyframe over there, like this. Then just hit G, then Shift Z. This is gonna be constraining the motion to X and Y axis. For example, like this. Move it to this frame. Then hit G, then Shift Z, and move it like this. Also move this frame. Then G, then Shift Z, then move this cube to another location, like this. Also, let's grab it, G and Shift Z, then move it to this location. It's gonna be making the torus scaling, like this. So let's see what you have over there. Click on spacebar button. It's gonna be playing the animation. Like this. It's gonna be playing the animation, and you can create motion graphics using animation and using also geometry nodes as shown here. And you can watch this great tutorial for the motion graphics. So you can watch this great tutorial and the motion using animation and geometry nodes at the same time, and also using what we call these great nodes, which is attribute vector node and attribute math node, to make animation. And you can just use some nodes in geometry nodes to make animation. You don't need to waste a lot of time and make big efforts for that. See you in another tutorial about motion graphics using geometry nodes. Thanks for watching.